Hi, my name is Rodrigo and you're watching Travelzilla, and today I'm gonna unbox this. It's my new laptop computer. It's the Predator Helios 300. Let's get straight to it. Let's go. Hello guys, my name's Rodrigo and you're watching Travelzilla, and today I'm doing something quite different. I'm unboxing this, which is my new laptop. So guys, first of all, I bought this laptop in Brazil, okay? And here they allow you to pay in installments. So I paid 6,068 reais, which is the local currency, and 41 cents. And I'm gonna pay it in 8 installments of 758 reais and 55 cents without any interest. So I can pay it in several installments and with no interest up to 8 times. So let's get straight to it. So check this out. The name of this computer is Notebook Predator Helios 300 G3 572 75L9 Intel Core i7 16 gigabytes GeForce GTX 1060 with 6 gigabytes IPS Full HD 16.6 inches W10 Acer. That's quite a long name. You better be good. So this is how it was shipped to me, okay? It was packed like this, okay? Receipts right there. So let's get straight to it. So phase 1 done. Now this is what the box looks like. You see Acer, it's pretty cool. See, well sealed. Okay, all the computer information there. Okay, so pretty cool, right? So let's get to our next step. I can't wait. Let's open this up. So now I'm gonna have to finally open it. It looks really good. So let me cut the seal and check this out. What's in there? Whoa, it's really difficult to film and talk and open this at the same time. We'll get there. So it came with this leaflet here, you know, with all the computer stats, so on and so forth. And that's what it looks like. Ta-da! Hey guys, so this is what it looks like. It came like this. It's really well protected. You see? Amazing, right? It's actually quite light. It's definitely not as big as I thought it was gonna be, and definitely not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. It's pretty light, and it's actually not as thick either. So the question is it gonna fit in my backpack? We'll find out soon enough. But I like it so far. So what comes inside the box? This, which is probably the warranty, and a little guide, okay, and serial number and everything. This, okay, which you auto read in order to understand what you're buying, and then this in a laptop, computer, notebook, whatever you want to call it, okay? So let's get to it. I can't wait to see it. I'm so excited. It's so exciting. It looks really, really good. Hey, you guys, like, it feels really expensive, you know? Wow. You know, like, it definitely has the wow factor, to be honest with you. Light, as I told you before, even lighter now, without the protection and everything. Thinner than I expected, definitely. And this is so cool. Listen, it looks much better in front of you, like when you see it right in front of you, than in pictures. Definitely. But you see, just need to be careful because here, see, I can tell that fingerprints kind of show pretty easily. You see that? See? So I need to actually do some research and see how you can clean this so it doesn't stain or something like that. But fingerprints, you can leave them there pretty easily. That's so cool. It's so much cooler when you actually see it in front of you. Wow, shocking. It looks amazing, you guys. I'm so surprised. I thought it was gonna be a bit tacky, but it's beautiful. Wow. The Predator Helios 300 is considered one of the best gamer laptops in the market. Some people call it a budget laptop because it's cheaper than, let's say, the two best gaming laptops out there, but it's still expensive. It offers the best cost benefit out of all the top gaming laptops available though. In the left-hand side, it has a full-size Ethernet jack, an USB 3.1 Type-C port, a full-size HDMI port, an USB 3.0 port, and a proper SD card slot. I absolutely love the keyboard. It's incredibly smooth, and as soon as you start typing, you'll be able to attest that it is, in fact, a very high quality product we're talking about here. The Helios 300 is a high-performance laptop that requires a lot of power to function properly. Because of that, it comes with a great quality heat management system. It also comes with two 3.0 USB ports, an audio jack, and your barrel power connector in its right-hand side. Not to mention a 15.6-inch Full HD screen. The keyboard comes with backlighting in red, which I like, but unfortunately, it can't change colors in all regions. Some regions make computers that can, and some regions make computers that cannot. The computer also comes with a great size touchpad, 2 terabytes of storage space, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti graphics, 256 gigabytes of SSD, and 6 megabytes of smart cache memory. As I told you before, this computer renders videos faster than even the best Mac computers out there. It's amazing for editing videos, and it puts all my previous laptops to shame when it comes to rendering speed. It does it all, but the question is, can it speak? Oh my, you can! Oh no, you didn't. Well, can you give me the Loto numbers then? Come on.
Se você precisar de leitor de tela assistencial, pressione as teclas Windows, Ctrl e Enter ao mesmo tempo para habilitar o narrador. Quer manter essa configuração? Você também usa outra configuração de teclado?
The Predator also comes with Bluetooth and with a program called Predator Sense, which offers to the user an overview of the heat management system, the computer speed, and the control of various settings. You can also control the rotation speed of the fans and check the computer temperature as well. It's a great program, and it varies from computer model to computer model. Hello everybody, my name is Rodrigo and you're watching Travelzilla, and the video today is going to be a bit different because you know this is a travel channel after all, and this is the computer where I edit my stuff. It's a Predator Helios 300. It's pretty cool, right? It's one of the best computers out there for gamers and also for video editing for vlogs and stuff like that. And today I'm going to open my computer because I'm going to add an SSD to it, and I'm going to share this experience with you guys. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. Also press the bell button to get notified every time I publish a new video. It's mostly travel videos here, but once in a while I unbox something. So I hope you've enjoyed it and watch my travel videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.